I might, when he comes back in, I might have to go try it. Just sitting straddling that bitch.
Man,
because I want to go out there.
It's my boy Zach out here casting. We got him on the air mattress. I was just out there slaying him. Trying to get that nigga on some good ones. I think he's a little scared.
You was out there about 15 minutes or so?
And 5, 6 of them, you know, yeah, they were just attacking. They're gonna attack his shit. Hey, you have a chatterbait on there? Yeah. Alright, bet. Yeah, he got the old magical chatterbait. Look at my boy out there. I just want to see him. I just want to see him rip one big in a small day. Yeah. Fall off the back. Yeah. I just want you to know that.
Don't set the hook too hard.
Because you're on video, my nigga. Times 2. Oh, here he goes. Yeah, you see him? Can you see in the water? You're stupid, watch him get one. I'm gonna laugh and smacks him in the face. And then that nigga just topples into the water. All bleeding out his nose and shit. Yee yee! Oh shit. Here he comes, Zach. Man, this thing has casted it way too many times.
Give him the signal, Brian. Signal, Brian.
I'm giving it.
I just wonder if
it'd be fucked up if he caught one right here. Like, bam!
If I do that, if my ass is gonna make it still in the water, I might end up with I might be half sitting in the water.
Supposed to say my feet might be dangling.
Well, no, I'm thinking like my ass, bottom of my ass might be in the water.
Yeah,
I'm gonna fucking go out, float out there.
He's like, fuck it, dude. This shit looks too live. It is live. Like I was just fucking.
I should get fire going.
Wow, your feet are cold.
Well, in case I fucking end up.
In case somebody ends up in the water.
So I can dry off. Because when I was letting my arms hang in the water.
Yeah.
The water's a little cold.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's colder. That's why I was just barely putting my hand in there.
I don't think it's any colder than the streams I used to swim in up in Pennsylvania.
Oh no.
Straight from the mountaintops.
God damn, Zach.
I'm running out of memory.
I think out there calling the fish. I've never just attacking it when I was out there.
I've noticed it comes in spurts.
It does.
Like, because when we were catching them a little bit at first, and then it died off. It's like they're, patrolling.
Yeah.
You like how I put him on the spot?
Yeah. Yeah. And they dove on it and was like, I'm good.
I'm about to smear mud all over my fucking legs. These flies quit biting me.
Oh, got one. Oh.
Oh!
Throw back out.
Yeah, throw it back out.
Throw back out.
Quit playing games with my lure.
I hope the fucking phone's hearing this shit. And they got there singing Pitbull. Hell yeah, I think he got one. He got. Hell. Yee!
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, on it, yeah. Creek Squad tested. Tell your mama, say what's up, bro. Was that fun? Are you alright? Let's get another one. That nigga pumped. That nigga pumped to the max. He's oh, this is new territory. Yeah, back to back. Back to back, that nigga slaying them out there. It's a huge motherfucker, bro. You fat fuck. Hell yeah. Oh. That nigga talking shit to the fish. That nigga's wild. That nigga's fucking a character, bro. That's why I fuck with this nigga. He said, let me get in. He crunked in the bitch. You know what's dope about that? You got 360, bro.
Yeah.
You have all the way around you to cast. Completely free of like any snag or any fucking thing. I just hope he's scaring them this way. That'd be dope to get a double on camera.
Yeah.
One on the fucking mat and one on the bank.
Wow, that was really oh, that's why.
Going pro. Cast behind you. Oh, you better get ready, fella. Got him. he can't, oh, he got moves on there all of a sudden. He's a ninja. Oh, he's big. Yeah.
Fuck. Maybe I do need to keep chatterbait on here.
Shit, they like them spinner baits too.
Well, that's what I was thinking.
Look, he got them all them ducks corralled up in one little circle.
What's up, duck herder?
He ain't gonna want to come back in.
I was just gonna say we ain't never gonna get him off it now.
He's trying to catch up to me. I think you got another one. Yeah. And that's 11 minutes of him just killing fish. That's 11 fucking minutes. And 45 seconds of him catching fish. Huh?
Perch look like coming up.
Yeah. I get around, and then I get around. That's what that nigga's singing. Catching the bass, I get around. He's like, fuck, I'm too far. Look how far he is, though. That nigga almost on the other side of the pond.